Okay, here's the 5 products that I use that I swear by for that bright under eye that stays nice and smooth. The very first thing I do is I do my base, like my foundation, and then I always go in with this. This is the Yves Saint Laurent, and this is their Radiant Touch. It's the Touche Eclat. This is the number 1, so it's kind of more of like a pinky peachy tone. There's one that's a little bit more yellow. I think that's number 2. Don't get that one. Get the number 1 because it has more of a pink undertone. So I literally just brush it down my nose and then just go like this, like feathered out, kind of like a fan. And then right on top of that, before I blend anything out, I go in with this. This is the Light Peach from e.l.f. It's the 16-hour camo concealer. It's super light. So I literally just go like this, just a little kind of circular motion right there on top of that YSL. And this is really, really thin. This is quite thick. So mixing these two together makes it so that I have the coverage of this one without being too thick. And then I have the brightness and the kind of like thin feel and look of this one. So that if you do have under eye wrinkles, like I do have little ones, but you guys see this rash that I have? I've never had like these little bumps. I'm literally having the worst skin life. Like the whole of 2026 so far has been crap. I have like all these little bumps and everything because of this freaking product I used. But normally I don't have these like this texture, but you can see like I do have like little wrinkles. It doesn't get stuck into your under eye wrinkles. And then I immediately go in with this. Now this is like a highlighting powder. It's technically a translucent setting powder with a glow, but if you use it all over your face, if you're like me and you have pores, don't do it. But I literally just use this as like an under eye setting powder and my highlight. So it's like a highlighter, and I just use a fluffy brush and I basically buff it with my fluffy brush all along here. Now, normally I do not have this texture. So normally like you wouldn't even see that, but it literally just gives you the most gorgeous glow. And then whatever's left on the brush, I go all the way underneath here. I do the majority of it over in this section so that it's like, see, all here, that's like the most of the product there. And then whatever's left, I just kind of like feather into the like inner corner. And because it's a setting powder, it's super fine, but it kind of gives you that illumination underneath the eye that makes you look really glowy, but don't do too much. This is the Huda Beauty. This is the birthday cake. So it's like the purple one. And I use like an actual like powder puff, and I literally go down the nose and I stamp it as if I was like baking under the eye, and I let that sit the entire time that I do my makeup. So then that's the last thing that I do is brush off that. And then once this is brushed off, I will go in with this. This is the Ben, it's almost gone. I actually need to order another one. This is the Ben Nye Super White Powder. This is a whitening powder. So basically I get a little fluffy brush and I buff it very, very small amount. Like I literally just put a tiny bit in the lid, tap it off a ton, and then buff it in circular motions all underneath, just from here to here, and that finishes it off. And if I don't do that step, I swear I don't have that like bright under eye look, but I feel like it's super nice. And once you set all of your makeup with a spray, it just kind of like, you have to set your makeup with a spray. If you don't, it will look a little bit more white. So make sure that you melt all the powders in, and then it just gives you this like really nice bright under eye where it's like it catches the light really well. You can see there's like illumination. You can see there's a glow, but it's not too much because you're focusing more of the highlight up here, and then whatever's left on the brush right into that inner corner. But there's how I do my under eye. Hopefully you found that helpful. You have to use these specific products. I've tried so many different ones. This is the combo. Like you can't use anything else to get the same result. I've tried and it doesn't work. This is the one. Like you just trust me, it works.